This is Akashvani. The news read by Anuja Kumar. President Droupadi Murmu has said India stands as a shining example before the world by implementing policies for poverty alleviation, hunger eradication, and offering equal opportunities to the youth. The President said this while addressing the Human Rights Day celebration organized by the National Human Rights Commission in New Delhi this morning. President Murmu emphasized that India, with its civilizational heritage spanning over 5,000 years, has long upheld values of empathy, compassion, and the interconnectedness of individuals within a harmonious community. President Murmu also commended the tireless efforts of the National Human Rights Commission and other commissions, including the judiciary and key stakeholders, for being the voice of the voiceless. World Human Rights Day is celebrated on this day every year to commemorate the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted and proclaimed by the UN General Assembly in 1948. This year's theme, Equality for All, emphasizes the ongoing struggle for equal rights and justice worldwide. Logjam continued today in both the Houses of Parliament, resulting in adjournments of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha for the day. This is the second day of this week, which was marred by allegations and counter-allegations between the Treasury and the opposition benches. In both the Houses of Parliament, the Treasury bench accused Congress leaders of alleged links with a prominent US-based foundation to defame the country, while on the other hand, opposition members raised the alleged bribery charges against a prominent Indian business group. As the Lok Sabha assembled after the first adjournment at 12 noon today, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju took strong exceptions to the behaviour of Congress members. He accused the Congress for stalling the proceedings of the House and demanded an apology from Congress MPs. Opposition members were raising slogans against the government, and some of the members trooped into the well. Later, the presiding officer adjourned the House for the day. Similar scenes prevailed in the upper house as well. Treasury and opposition members traded barbs at each other on the issues of alleged bribery charges against a prominent Indian business group and the Congress leader's alleged links with a prominent US-based foundation. Amid din, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar adjourned the House for the day. Earlier in the morning, Aam Aadmi Party member Sanjay Singh raised the issue of law and order in Delhi. It was countered by the Treasury bench members. Supreme Court Judge and Executive Chairman of the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA, Justice B R Gavai, has highlighted several initiatives launched by NALSA to provide legal aid to vulnerable groups, including disaster victims, tribal communities, and victims of trafficking and acid attacks. In an interview on the occasion of Human Rights Day, Justice Gavai emphasized NALSA's efforts to support women affected by violence by facilitating compensation and providing legal aid to prisoners. Listeners can tune to the full interview with Justice B R Gavai in our program Surkhiyon Mein at 7:10 p.m. today. Sri Lanka President Anura Kumara Dissanayake will embark on an official tour to India next week. Cabinet spokesman Minister Nalinda Jayatissa told the media today that the President is expected to proceed on the 3-day visit on Sunday. During the tour, President Dissanayake will engage in discussions with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other high-ranking officials. Mr. Dissanayake will be accompanied by the Foreign Minister Vijitha Herath and Deputy Minister of Finance Dr. Harshana Surya Peruma. Aligning sanitation with dignity and human rights, the Hamara Shauchalay, Hamara Samman campaign concludes today on the occasion of Human Rights Day. The 3-week campaign was launched on the World Toilet Day on the 19th of November to mobilize communities across India and bring sanitation into the spotlight as a matter of collective pride and responsibility. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader Rabindranath Mehto has been elected unanimously for the second time as the Speaker of the Jharkhand Legislative Assembly today. And that is the end of this news bulletin.